Alright everybody, and Bangray is back again, and in this video we're going to have a look at a new villain called Autism Wolf. Now this hairy canine has big fists as weaponry, and his strengths are supersonic howl, autism absorption, fire manipulation, enhanced smell and hearing, and enhanced strength and durability and agility, speed and reflexes, and flexibility and stamina and endurance, and jumping, and yeah, and he does have an enhanced bite, and his bite can turn his enemies into werewolves. And his main weakness is the silver bullet, because, well, that could kill him and possibly prevent those that he had bitten from turning into a werewolf or something. Not really sure if that's the case though, but that's my closest guess anyway. But with all that said, now that I've reviewed Autism Wolf, I better get out of here, and thanks for watching, have a great time, and please take care.